So far this spring season, there's been too much of this and not enough this. High school baseball and softball players have exchanged bats for brooms and gloves for hand pumps.
We're probably 25 to 30% more rainouts or cancellations due to snow than any past year.
Jim Smith is the director of the Eastern Virginia Officials Association. He oversees 138 umpires and schedules them for high school, college, junior varsity, and local recreational baseball games. In his 8 years scheduling games, he has never seen this many rainouts to start a season.
All right, this screen here, everything in red that you see are games that are canceled for today. This year we've had, let me see, I put it down, like 455 games scheduled, 383 of them are canceled. That's high school, college, and a couple of the Sunday select teams. But it's just like every day you've got 35 games that are starting off. At the end of the day, you have nothing left.
Smith has been working non-stop trying to reschedule all these rainouts. He says he spends all day cooped up in his home office. He needs complete silence to get the job done.
I can't have anybody in here bothering me. Can't have anybody come and ask me anything. It's just, I need dead silence so you can work. And it's taken 8 years to learn.
These consistent rain events put strain on everybody involved. Coaches, players, athletic directors, umpires. It seems like the list is endless.
It's been awful. Too much rain, rained out games, can't practice. Always got to practice on the dome.
Local players have been spending too much time dragging tarps and cleaning fields. They spend most of their time indoors. There's just no getting around Mother Nature.
So it's going to be a real challenge to get the games in.
In Virginia Beach, Chris Reckling for the Sports Wrap.